Assam is one of the eight sister states of northeastern India, known for its rich culture and diverse population. This beautiful land, known as the land of red rivers and blue hills, is a little paradise with untouchable natural landscape worth to travel. Rajasthan, a land where royalty is a way of living, a land where celebration knows no boundaries, and a land that has diverse range of culture, is one of the most famous destinations in the world. The land of Maharajas is one such place that showcases the most exuberant colors and cultures.
Bright colors, intricate designs, mirror works, and changsar and other pieces are the most important elements of Rajasthani attires. Be it men or women, they all love to adorn themselves in the most colorful ways while being grounded to their traditional and cultural values. Music has been an integral part of Rajasthani culture. Folk songs, commonly ballads related to heroic deeds and love stories, and religious songs known as bhajans, accompanied by instruments, are sung. There are the Ghumar dance originating from Udaipur and Kalbelia dance originating from Jaisalmer. The culture of Rajasthan is mainly driven by fairs and festivals. Diwali, Kangor, Tej, Camel Fair, and Makar Sankranti are some of the most revered festivals in India's desert capital. Rich regal heritage and culture is found in Rajasthan. The arid nature of the region, the extreme climatic conditions, scarcity of water, and vegetation has witnessed involvement of unique cooking styles and food habits of the natives that is noticeably different from the other country cuisines. दाल बाटी चूरमा, बाजरे की रोटी, लहसुन की चटनी, प्याज कचौरी are some of the popular Rajasthani dishes.
The Assamese adorn very simple dresses and mostly hand-loomed. They wear motif-rich mekhela chador and riya mekhela. The men wear surya or dhoti, and over it they drape a chadar known as the leg. Assam is rich in folk music. Classical Assamese music is divided into Borgis and Ojapali, which combines narrative singing with dancing. Assam is full of festivals, the most important being the Bihu. It is celebrated to mark the important points of a cultivator's life over a yearly cycle. Ojapali, Devdasi, and Satriya are the major dancing styles of Assam. Oja, or the lead dancer, narrates a mythological story along with the fusion of dance and acting. Assamese dishes are said to be least spicy than any other Indian dishes. Assamese are mostly non-vegetarian and their staple diet is rice. Fish, chicken, duck, pigeon and pork are widely eaten and quite popular. Fish curry is another favorite which is prepared as a sour dish.
Diversity is the art of thinking independently together. With huge diversities between the states, they hereby stand together as a whole. These two states show a very interesting and unique contrast with a blend of different cultures, but they are tied by the tricolor that each citizen, no matter from where they are, waves with pride and sense of respect.
जी प्रकृति के अनुसार तो चोखी भूमि आसाम है
राजस्थान सहसा धरतीও জৰিলে
जबकि आप दोनों देश की चरम पक्षा पर आवा हैं
আৰু ইমান ভিন্নতা আছে আমি একেলগে থাকিম
क्योंकि आप समझा हाँ कि आपणो अंतर आपने न्यारो बनावे
আমি ভিন্নতাও উल्लंघन কৰা
काई फरक कौन पड़े कि आपा कितना न्यारा
আমি কেতিয়া পৰিব নাই
क्योंकि आपा माना हा कि आपा एक साथ में घना मजबूत और घना बेहतर हा।